I'm Ritik, as you all know me from last 21 days, and I'm going to talk about property. Ghar, Jameen, no. I'm going to talk about that property that comes from the creativity and intelligence of human mind. Yes, my topic is intellectual property rights. Before going forward with this topic, I would like to share with you all why I had chosen this. Because this is the one of my area where I'm interested to learn. But somehow I will not got any opportunity to work in this field. And with the help of my trainers and with his permission, I had prepared this project report on this topic just because of my interest in this field. So let's start. As I already talked, this is the property. Intellectual property is the property which is the result of creativity of human's mind. It does not exist in reality. We can't touch it like this remote. We can feel it, we can imagine this. So we are having many kinds of intellectual property. Intellectual property. Intangible property. Intangible property. Yeah. Yes. So from the intangible property, I specifically picked up this intellectual property rights. So going forward with first type of intellectual property, it is trademark. So trademark, a mark which is being capable of distinctive from others. I can just give you an example. All can see this. Our reputational institute, ICSI. This is the mark which makes it different from the other marks. Like ICSI is a mark. We can say such marks are trademarks. It is not important that it is registered under the Trademarks Act 1999, but yet it is a trademark. So why trademark? Because it is a brand. If you are having the trademark with you, it means you are having a brand value. It attracts more and more customers again and again. It provides the consumer an option to purchase again the same product. Like आपने देखा होगा, अगर आप कहीं पे किराने की दुकान पे भी जाते हैं तो normally we used to say, भाई वो वाला देना जिसपे अमूल का वो लड़की वाला निशान बना था. So ये है trademark का फायदा. Who can apply for registration of trademark? Any person who has some creativity can apply for that, or who has a right to apply. Suppose I had having some creativity with me and I assign to Mr. Ronit, then he can also apply for the trademark. Qualification for registration as trademark agent. He or she must be of 21 years of age. He must have a qualification of advocate. He is a member of Institute of Company Secretaries of India. Apart from this, any graduate from any university who has cleared his examination as may be set up by the registry of the trademark. So these are the two trademarks. The first one, Amul. सबने सुना होगा अमूल दूध पीता है इंडिया. Have you heard about that?
Yes.
So क्या है ये? अगर अमूल दूध पीता है इंडिया, अगर अमूल कल को जूते बनाने लग जाए, तो तुम्हारे माइंड में क्या आएगा? Even the owner is not saying, मैंने यार ट्रेडमार्क कॉपी कर दिया और मैं शूज बना रहा हूँ. तुम्हारे माइंड में क्या आएगा? This is the mark of original. So उसकी प्रोटेक्शन के लिए हमारे पास एक कंसेप्ट है वेल नोन ट्रेड. What are the types of trademarks that can be registered? First, product trademark. The trademark which can be used for the products like shoes, like this box, or anything like this whiteboard. The another is service trademark. Service trademarks may be those marks. Like we can take another again the example of ICSI. What ICSI is? Educational services. Other professional services. So this is a trademark, and the third name, collective trademark. If this whole trademark read as whole, this is the trademark of the Institute of Company Secretaries of India. But if we come toward the member, this is a trademark for the members, CS. No one, anyone else, rather than the member can use this. And last but not the least, certification trademark. These are those जो आपको एक certification देने के like ICSI, trademark on jewelry, and etc. Then assignment and transmission. As I earlier spoke, if I had not created anything, but I had assigned it, getting it from anyone else, it can be assignment. And the transmission. There is a slight difference between assignment and transmission. Assignment is a proper written contract, and transmission is just for a few times or just for a single product you can make out of that. Then well-known trademark, as we earlier discussed, licensing in trademark, infringement and passing off, one of the most important. These two things interrelated to each other, but there is a slight difference. If I am having a registered trademark and someone is using that, it will be the infringement. But if I am using a trademark which is not registered, yet I had remedy for that, and this will be passing off. Rights and remedies of trademark offense: civil, criminal, and administrative. In civil, we can ask for damages, we can ask for injunction. In criminal, we can lodge the complaint, and there is a provision for the imprisonment from 6 months up to 3 years. Thereafter, the administrative remedies. Before the registry of the trademark, they can even have power to cancel the trademark if it is wrongly get by some other person. But one thing to be remembered, in passing off, we are only having a single remedy, that is civil remedy. Moving towards the next patent. Again, patent is a property like some inventions are there, a process. Who may apply? Any person or a group of persons who made such invention can apply for the patent. What is patentable invention? कल को हम सब लोग चले जाएंगे कि मैंने नीले रंग और काले रंग को बना के कुछ और रंग बना दिया, मेरा पेटेंट दे दो. नहीं. It is novelty. Novelty in simple sense पहले कभी कहीं यूज नहीं हुआ होना चाहिए. Then inventive step. There must be some invention, innovation there. Then industrially applicable. That all the industries can use that. Like, I will try to conclude at this. Moving towards the next, appropriate office. There are 4 offices in all over the India: Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, and Kolkata. And the register of the patents are kept at Nagpur. Withdrawal of patent application. A patent application can be withdrawn 3 months before the first publication. Then the grant of patent, term and date, renewal fees is there. The renewal fees is to be paid before the 3 years. Is to be paid every year, but before starting from the 3rd year. And then restoration. If due to non-payment of renewal fees, the patent has been withdrawn, the renewal fees is the restoration is there from the 18 months from lapse upon a presentation of application. This is industrial design. I will cover this in very short. Any design like a bullet motorcycle, the design by the Royal Enfield is the example of industrial design. Geographical indications, the products which shows the geographical indications of any product, like Hyderabadi biryani, Darjeeling tea. Copyrights, again, these are the rights which for the literary, artistic, drama, software, music, photography, films. But yes, one thing is to be remembered: mere imagination cannot be copyrighted. Thank you. And in the conclusion, I can say, create yourself rather than using other creation. Thank you.